Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm making Greek lemon chicken and potatoes, a dish that's bursting with flavor and comfort. Now, here's what you'll need. Some juicy chicken pieces, golden potatoes, a couple of fresh lemons, extra virgin olive oil, aromatic oregano, minced garlic, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. First, let's give our potatoes a good wash. No need to peel them, we want all that rustic goodness. Cut them into chunks for that crispy texture. Now, time to bring everything together. Add those lovely potato chunks to the bowl and gently nestle in the chicken pieces. Now squeeze the juice over the chicken and potatoes. Drizzle on a generous amount of olive oil, sprinkle fragrant oregano, minced garlic for that kick, and of course, don't forget the pinch of salt and pepper. Give everything a good mix. And lay it all out in a baking dish. Pop it into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius and bake it for an hour. Our chicken will turn golden, and those potatoes will be crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside. And there you have it, our Greek lemon chicken and potatoes are ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious journeys, and leave me a comment below if you give this recipe a try.